These are the elevators at Greentree Commons in Greentree, Pennsylvania. These are newly modernized ThyssenKrupp elevators with fan-resistant Halo/MADBS fixtures. And both the elevators park on one for some odd reason, even at one on the main floor. Case files are surfaced, covered up by the directory. Green LEDs, which I find rather interesting. These are newly modernized, I believe. It's also top 2 for hydro, which is rather interesting. Lower levels locked. 1, that works. 2 to go down. Pretty sure these are hydro, but they run a bit like traction. They have the voice like you would find them in traction.
First floor.
Go up to 5 and ring the bell. ThyssenKrupp. No, that's locked. 4. Actually, it may be thinking it wants to go down, so let it time out. But I bet it's locked anyway. Yep. 1 and 2, that's it. A phone, elevator 2. Nice for down cabs. I believe these neighbors in Medova, but I'm honestly not 100% sure. Here back at 2. Big brother.
Second floor.
And here at 2. This building looks like it was built in the 1980s. That's going to be it.